Hey everybody, Sander here, and I'm gonna show you how the Wooting 60HE friction fit pad will actually sound like in the Optimum case. And I can tell you beforehand, yes, it does give a notable difference because of the friction fit nature. It just hangs in the case. It doesn't lean on any standoffs or anything. It's just floating in the case. That means it's not hard mounted anywhere, which should result in a more clean sound overall the board, because when you hard mount your board at these specific screw locations, it will mean that if you press buttons on these specific locations that it doesn't sound as nice. And then you will notice probably that the middle sounds the best, but once you go to the outside it sounds a bit less nice. And with the friction fit pad you don't have these issues as much. And I know a lot of people are wondering, like, is it actually sturdy in there? Does it fall out if you flip the keyboard over? No, actually it doesn't. I can show you. I'm shaking the case. And as you can see, it doesn't fall out. And for those who are wondering, is it easy to remove the module from the case again? Well, yeah, it kinda actually is. So what you do is simply just lean on, what I do, a corner, and then simply just slightly put pressure on it. Not too much, because if you do too much, your keycap will just fall out. But if you just do very slightly, you can see, you can simply just lift it out. And it's actually pretty easy to do. I can just replicate it very easily if you want it. Let me just press it firmly in and then just put a little bit of pressure in one of the corners on the keycap. Sometimes it takes a bit of redoing and then voila, it's removed. It's very easy. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty awesome. But let's not ramble any further. Let's get straight into the sound tests. And that's pretty much it for the friction fit sound comparison. What do you guys think? Did it actually make a notable difference or not? Let us know in the comments below. And of course, if you found any more cases that are compatible with our friction fit pad, then of course let us know in the comments below as well. And then we can update our case compatibility list, which is, by the way, linked in the description. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.